here's a good analogy about government, I think. So in schools, there's always bullies. And bullies are aggressive kids who aren't really inclined to play by the rules. So they're aggressive and they're not very conscientious. And so they're kind of predatory. And they'll prey on other kids if given the opportunity. Okay, so how do you stop that? Well, you don't go around feeling sorry for the bullies because that doesn't work, and they don't have low self-esteem. They have high self-esteem. And the way that you deal with bullies is you have parents or teachers watch in the schoolyard, and every time a kid bullies someone else, you stop them. Now, you don't throw them in a cell for 10 years. You just stop what they're doing from having the desired outcome, and then bullying goes away. Now, this has been demonstrated by a guy in Scandinavia called Dan Olweus, he's reduced bullying in the Scandinavian countries by 50%. And the way he's done that is by ensuring that in schoolyards, bullies get caught, not that they get punished. Now, so translate that into political policy. Conservatives always argue that you should be hard on criminals, crack down on crime. It's like, yes, but the way they do it is by saying, well, let's have more extensive sentences.